So today we're going to learn how to make Geo Blossom Little People using a 6-inch Geo Blossom and two 350Q balloons. We just cut the tips off and inflate the tips to approximately 1 inch. These are going to be for the nose, well, the yellow's for the nose and the pink is for the back of the balloon, so it matches the Geo. Tie these together in the center and inflate the Geo so you have the yellow one at the front for the nose and the pink one at the back, just to hold it in place. Using two 260Q white, again we're going to cut the tips off, inflate the tips, and now we're going to tie those two together with a little bit of stretch between the two balloons. Just gently slide these under the yellow nose and position them where you would like them to sit. They'll stay neatly in place, you don't need to glue them or anything. Once you've done that, you can add any facial features that you want, whether you're going to use stickers or draw those on. Now we're going to take two 5-inch lime green balloons, make sure they're soft and push the knot into the center. Now twist the balloon so you've split it into two. Repeat that with the second 5-inch balloon and twist those together to create a little tiny cluster that will sit at the base of the Geo. Inflate a 260Q lime green balloon and attach that also. Using a 160Q lime green balloon, you partially inflate it, tie it into a loop, twist it in the center, and then twist the centers together so you create a figure of 8. To create a little shape on the balloon, use the warmth of your hand, and this will make the leaves stroke arms of your flower.